Ever wondered what really goes into making a hot dog? The truth might surprise you. From the moment you grab a pack at the grocery store to the first bite at a barbecue, there's a massive, high-tech journey that turns simple ingredients into one of America's favorite foods. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the hot dog factory. Stick around, because what you're about to see might change how you look at hot dogs forever. It all begins with the meat. Reputable brands like Oscar Mayer, Nathan's Famous, and Hebrew National are extremely selective. They typically use beef, pork, or chicken, choosing specific cuts to get that perfect balance of fat and flavor. Before anything else happens, the meat is thoroughly inspected for quality and safety. It's kept chilled as it enters the facility, and nothing moves forward until it gets the green light. Only then can the real magic, or maybe science, begin. Inside the factory, the meat is sent into colossal industrial grinders. These powerful machines transform the cuts into a superfine paste, which is technically called an emulsion. To keep the mixture from overheating during this intense process, large amounts of ice are added. This helps maintain the right temperature and gives the hot dog its smooth, consistent texture. Think of it like a giant, ice-cold food processor. This step is critical for getting that familiar hot dog feel. Next up, the flavor. The meat emulsion is moved into automated mixers where the seasoning is added. Every brand has its own secret recipe, a unique blend of spices like garlic, paprika, and black pepper. Curing salt is also mixed in, which helps preserve the meat and gives the hot dog its characteristic pinkish color. This is where Ballpark Frank starts to taste different from a Hebrew National. The entire mixing process is monitored closely to ensure the seasonings are evenly distributed, and the emulsion is perfectly smooth. Once the emulsion is just right, it's time for stuffing. The mixture is pumped through a network of stainless steel pipes to high-speed stuffing machines. These incredible machines fill long, continuous tubes called casings with remarkable precision. Some brands, like Johnsonville or Vienna beef, use natural casings made from animal intestines. These are what gives certain hot dogs that satisfying snap when you bite into them. Other brands use cellulose casings, which are made from plant fibers and are usually removed later. As the casings are filled, they are automatically twisted and linked, creating those long, chain-like rows of hot dogs you might have seen in old cartoons. It's a continuous, high-speed operation, and everything is kept at a strictly controlled temperature to prevent any bacterial growth. This part of the process is a perfect example of automation meeting food safety, ensuring every single hot dog is formed uniformly and safely. Now, it's time to cook. The linked hot dogs are moved into huge smokehouses or steam cooking chambers. Some hot dogs are smoked over real hardwood chips, which imparts a smoky flavor and a rich, dark color. Others are simply steamed. Steaming is faster and results in a more uniform product, which is why many large-scale producers prefer it. This cooking step is what firms up the hot dog, sets its final shape, and makes it safe to eat. Every batch is cooked under highly regulated conditions to guarantee consistency. After cooking, there's a crucial step for many hot dogs: peeling. If the hot dogs were made with cellulose casings, they head to specialized high-speed machines that peel the casings away. It has an incredibly fast process that leaves behind the skinless franks most of us are familiar with. Hot dogs made with natural casings, however, get to keep their edible jackets. Before moving on, each batch is inspected. Trained inspectors and automated scanners look for any defects in color, shape, or firmness. Anything that isn't perfect is removed. With the cooking and peeling done, the hot dogs need to be cooled down, and fast. They are sent through chilled water baths or cold air tunnels to rapidly lower their temperature. This crucial step stops the cooking process, prevents bacteria from growing, and helps the hot dogs maintain their firm structure. From here, conveyor belts transport the now cold and firm hot dogs through sterile sections of the plant, all designed to maximize food safety and prepare them for the final stage, packaging. Finally, the packaging line. This is another area where automation shines. Machines neatly arrange the hot dogs into those familiar packs of 6, 8, or 12. Then, the packs are either vacuum sealed or filled with a modified atmosphere to remove oxygen, which keeps the hot dogs fresh for much longer. Labels are printed and applied, showing all the important information like ingredients, nutrition facts, and the expiration date. Automated scanners check every single package to make sure the seal is perfect, any errors, and the package is rejected. Once packaged, the hot dogs are boxed up and moved into vast, cold storage warehouses, where they wait to be shipped out. From there, refrigerated trucks take over, delivering them to grocery stores, restaurants, and sports stadiums across the country. Brands like Sabrett and Nathan's Famous have massive distribution networks. To get their products to you, the temperature is monitored constantly throughout transport to ensure the hot dogs stay safe. Traceability systems also mean that every single package can be tracked right back to the day and the factory it came from. The entire process, from raw meat to finished product, is governed by incredibly strict safety regulations. In fact, hot dog manufacturing is one of the most closely watched sectors in the food industry, simply because of its massive scale and popularity. As consumers have started paying more attention to what's in their food, many brands have responded by using cleaner labels and improving their production standards. So, there you have it. The journey of a hot dog is a marvel of food engineering, high-speed automation, and meticulous quality control. What seems like a simple food is actually the result of a highly complex and regulated process. The next time you're at a cookout and you bite into a juicy hot dog, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get to your plate. Now that you know the truth about what happens inside a hot dog factory, does it make you crave one? Or does it make you question everything? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Has this changed the way you see hot dogs? Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this inside look, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into how your favorite foods are made. See you next time.